If you have ever had an indoor plants that quickly withered and wilted, you might believe that you don't have a green thumb or you're not cut out for growing plants. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not in the case. The truth is that everyone can be a good plant owner and it really isn't complicated, I promise. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know how to care your indoor plants and its advantages as well. There are few plant care tips. First one is select an area in your house that gets adequate sunlight. Because plants require sunlight in order to undergo photosynthesis, as you all know. Also, the quality, duration, and the intensity of sunlight all affect a plant's growth. Second tip is don't move your plant around a lot because the plant need time to adjust the surroundings. So best is that you don't move them around a lot. Third tip is increase the humidity in the room. Dry air may serve certain plants like cacti, but most of the plants require humidity, especially tropic plants. So you can buy a room humidifier with a cool mist. But you have to make sure that your levels are not getting wet. Fourth tip is fill your pot with a balanced fertilizer. Most houseplants thrive in balanced fertilizer, that is 10:10:10 ratio. So the houseplants need the nutrients from potting soils and fertilizers in order to survive. If you don't repot the plant or add any new nutrients to the soil, the plant will eventually die. So the first number stands for nitrogen, second number for phosphorus, and the third for potassium. So don't forget to give fertilizer to your plants. Fifth tip is do not tip tea or coffee in your houseplant. So putting coffee or tea into your potted plant will draw flies that can eat away at your indoor plants. Also, sugars make it a perfect breeding ground for this insect as well. So don't put food inside your plant pot. Sixth tip is keep potting soil moist. It's important to make sure soil is not too wet or not too dry. Make sure that the plant pot has drainage holes in the bottom of the pot. Seventh tip is choose a plant that's easy to care for. Certain tropical plants require specific environments in order to thrive, while other plants like geraniums and pothos and castine plants are low maintenance, durable, and are easy to care for. Most cacti and succulents are also of fantastic shapes and variety of foliage and are easy to grow as well. These are about the few tips of plant care. Let's see the advantages of indoor plants. It is well known that trees bind carbon dioxide and thereby gives us air to breathe. But did you know that the indoor plants could also improve your indoor climate? Yes, it is. In addition to beautiful decoration, they also contribute to better circulation and often to better attitude towards life. Because plants, as has been proven, simply make you happy. There are also plants that are considered natural remedies, such as aloe vera, for example, which cools sunburns. And also, there are a lot of varieties of plants that are available nowadays in the market. You can learn a lot from plants, for example, patience, because each plant grows at its own pace and does not allow itself to be stressed by external influences. Many urban gardens also report that living in the jungle taught them a lot about themselves and their relationship with others. Just try it out for yourself. Remember all the tips when you care your indoor plants and make others to know the advantages of indoor plants. Thank you for listening.